pack, and it was like $175. You can get it at I got it at, well, my grandparents, they just got it for me for Christmas. It's Christmas Eve right now, and it's about like 8 o'clock right now. And so let's just get right into it. So you have a sunglass holder case, really nice. It's like nice material on it. And there's a cheaper version than this. It does not have a sunglass holder case, and there's other features. It does not. So that's a really nice feature because I always forget mine. And then in here, you have one of the main storage. Is right here. You have your thing. It's see-through. You keep your phone in there, fishing license, whatever. Then I have my hook box. I have band-aids because I always hook myself. Like bluegill, sunfish, whatever crap. Pancho, and my bass hooks. So, and that's the whole inside of the box. Alright, and then a cool feature is the LED light. It goes up and down, it clicks, pretty sweet. And there's 3 modes. There's light, the light mode, high mode, and this is LED, then the green mode. You see how much of this. It's a really nice feature you got in there. And also, it shines in the bag, so that's pretty cool. And then, so nice feature we have in there. And another feature is we have is this one. It's like I just keep my pliers in there, but you hold like these like things in there. So you just keep a bunch of those in there. That's what it's for. I just got this, so I just filled it up. And then the biggest part about this is the huge. I thought this was gonna be super small like these. Cause I watched a bunch of YouTube videos, and hope you guys subscribe. And these are actually pretty decent size. They're not bad. I have a few fog baits in there. Catch a little bass on those. You guys should go with those. And then I have these pretty big, as you see. I haven't filled it up all the way, but stuff is some nice colors in there. Then there's this Velcro thing just to keep them all in place. And then put this back in there. No, I don't care. And then here, and then here, see that? Then on the side, really cool feature. It's like one hand, so when you got big bass on pike, walleye, whatever you need. Got your pliers in there, nothing special. This thing, it's almost metal. Like it looks metal. It's really nice. Hold your clippers on there. It's a really nice feature. Then on the back here, you see this thing comes in a hook. This like inside, like you open this up, and like when you first get the backpack, you open this up, it's right on the zipper. It comes right on the zipper. So that's a really cool thing they added in there, and just like for hanging it up or something. And then if it's pouring rain out, you want to like keep your stuff dry. This thing goes. This is like a huge pocket. It's for you. I'll show you. It goes all the way down. This thing covers up. If you've seen more YouTube videos, like look up like Wild River backpacks, it'll show this. I know you might like theirs better, but I've watched them all, and I'm gonna try to make this one pretty good. And so this thing just covers the whole backpack. So when it's pouring rain out, because we all have those days when you're fishing, you just covers the bag. It's a great thing. And then you will look on the bottom here. So when you're fishing in the wet area, you put these on the sand so it doesn't get moist in here, because that's why you do it. So that's a good feature. And then, so as I was saying, like this thing is a really nice feature. Like it sits on a whole arm down there, so then you just spread it out if you want. And on the sides here, I just keep my Sasami knife in there. It's not a big deal. Keeping a line in there, you keep line, perfect storage cover for line. Like all those like packaged rubberized worms fit perfect in here. Those fit great in here, as you can see. Nice work. With the TLC Wild River, amazing work. You guys did a great job. a knife keeping here. This is one of the best backpacks out there on the market. I want to thank TLC. Amazing backpack here. And on both sides you have the rubberized mesh. It's actually like rubber, so it's hookless. So that's a really nice feature. Same thing on the sides. I just keep gloves in case I catch something like a pipe. I can use my bare hands. Something huge. You still have those things in there on both. I just keep a bunch of stuff in there. So, and then you have the rubberized mesh in here too. So that's pretty cool. And then, as I was saying this, and then in the back, you have really nice straps you have here. They're all foam here. That's really nice when you travel long ways. Like I go to like fishing in my lake. And then here you have like for your bottom spine and your butt. And then like this comes around your spine. And this is just like the top. And then a really cool feature to this, we're gonna open this back up, the main storage compartment. So when you look in it, and then take this out here. Take it out. When you take this out, then you open the bottom here. If you have not seen any other things on YouTube, you might look at this one. Let's take all these out. All these come out. So these come out, and then you will see how it's like blocked right here. You can come closer if you want. This is all blocked here because this thing's velcroed in. This thing comes down. It's just Velcro, so it's nice. Very nice backpack. Comes down. Oops, there was my pliers. It's just beautiful. It just comes down. Well, thing you could probably even use this for school. I would never use that, but good thing for school. It's a wonderful, wonderful thing you can use. So that's that. And then when it comes back up, it's super easy to use too. And that's a big thing because I don't want my fishing stuff. I mean, there's like the spider backpacks out there. There are the littler version than this. Like it doesn't have a sunglass holder. This is like not see-through. Rubberized mesh doesn't have that. These are littler. These are the littler. I think that's like $100. This one's definitely the better one. This is like the big brother to it. And then like the oldest brother is the TLC. I think it's like $230. It has like a thing right here that you charge your phone, but I think that's a little ridiculous. But that's for like fishermen that pros, you know. And this is a pro. TLC makes the best backpacks out there. And so I just want to take them. And then, so that's really it. And subscribe and thank you for watching. So TLC Wild River backpack, amazing backpack. And I showed you guys this. And it's a great backpack overall. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like the video and comment. Hey guys, it's Shaylee. I just got this new Wild River fishing backpack. It was like $175. You can get it at I got it at my grandparents. They just got it for me for Christmas. It's Christmas Eve right now. It's about like 8 o'clock right now. And so let's just get right into it. So you have a sunglass holder case, really nice. It's like nice material on it. And there's a cheaper version than this. It does not have a sunglass holder case, and there's other features. It does not. So that's a really nice feature because I always forget mine. And then in here, you have one of the main storage. Is right here. You have your thing. It's see-through. You keep your phone in there, fishing license, whatever. Then I have my hook box. I have Band-Aids because I always hook myself. Like bluegill, sunfish, whatever crap.